Hey everybody, Miley here. I'm in Amsterdam at the Melkweg, and so I'm going through a list of all the stuff you guys wanted me to do. So obviously one of the most asked about stuff is the Purdy Shuffle that I do in the song Soul. I sometimes do it in Jordan. Where else I do it? But anyway, like it comes off the Fool in the Rain, John Bonham, Fool in the Rain, Bernard Purdy Shuffle, Home at Last, Babylon Sisters with Steely Dan. And of course Jeff Porcaro, Rosanna. So the lineage continues, hopefully. So basically the Purdy Shuffle goes like this. So check it out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then, if you put it in 6/8, which is what I do in like the song Soul, or in the verses in Jordan, it goes. Right. So you have that is in 6/8. So to finish it off, I'm just going to go into Rosanna and sing it for you. So, just for fun. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. All I want to do when I wake up in the morning is see you shine. Rosanna, Rosanna. Every time that it's good like you, do that shit for me. Rosanna. So there you have it. There's the Purdy Shuffle, John Bonham Shuffle, Jeff Porcaro Shuffle, and Mike Miley Shuffle. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.